What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here? Over here? Actually, kinda catchy. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione!
Ron!
Severus.
Hermione! Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione!
Ron!
Hermione!
Ron
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter!
Severus.
Harry Potter!
Hermione! Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Oh!
Hermione!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry!
Snape. Harry Potter.
Ron!
Harry.
Hermione! Dumbledore!
Ron!
Harry.
Ron Weasley!
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldy, 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 Voldemort.